15 seconds, everybody.
Okay, then, Bob.
Is everybody ready?
Yeah, what key is it in?
Y'all watch me now.
It's a little late to be asking that question.
What key is it in, Duke?
The key of life.
How many bars you gonna give me before we start?
3.
I ain't giving you no balls. You fat enough.
Yeah, let's get together right down here. Let's get together right down here. Let's get together right down here. Let's get together this new year. Let us have a good time right down here. Let us have a good time right down here. Let us have a good time right down here. Let us have a good time right down here. Well, Happy New Year, everybody.
Yeah, Happy New Year, everybody.
And welcome to Showbiz Pizza Place, where we celebrating New Year's Eve. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Can I get a double amen?
Double amen.
Now it sounds like everybody in the mood.
Yeah. That's right. We're going to see what's the year coming up? 88. 1988. Thanks, Mitzi. 1988. We're going to see it in just about 39 minutes. 39 more minutes, and it's New Year's 1988. Is everybody ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Let us get together right down here. Let us get together right down here. Let us get together right down here. Let's get together this new year. Let's floss our teeth right down here.
What?
Remember to floss your teeth right down here. Remember to floss your teeth right down here. Remember to floss your teeth right down here. Let's have some saxophone.
Hey, Fats, how do you make all them saxophone sounds with your keyboard instrument there?
Well, I can do all kinds of stuff. I can solo with my mouth if I want to.
Yeah, show me what you can do.
I can make a harmonica sound. Try that.
Okay.
Wait. Let me get the note.
You're out of tune. You're out of tune.
Wait, I know, but wait, I got the wrong setting here. Wait. Well, that's all right.
Okay, that's one of them new model fangled synthesizers, ain't it, Fats, that plays just about anything? You can do strings and horns and all like that.
That's right, because it's 1988.
1988, we can do practically anything with a keyboard. Is that right?
That's right.
Hey, wait about guitars. We can do all sorts of things with guitars.
What? Like what?
Like this.
El Cabong, you can do El Cabong. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Beach
Yeah, that's a versatile instrument you got hanging there.
No, it can also do this.
Well, you got, I've never seen somebody squeeze so many sounds out of one instrument before, Beach Bear.
Man, it's incredible.
I better explain to the audience what's going on up here.
Welcome to the 80s.
Yeah, it's 1988, ladies and gentlemen, and we hadn't had too much time to practice nothing for tonight's show, but we decided that you just couldn't have New Year's without us, and us without you. So we're gonna just jam out a little bit for the next, 36 minutes till New Year's 1988.
Let's get together right down here. Let's get together right down here. Let's get together right down here. Let's get together this new year. Let's get together right down here.
Everybody.
Let's get together right down here. Let's get together right down here. Let's get together this new year. Oh yeah.
Okay, everybody. So anyway, we didn't get a chance to sit down and even decide what songs we were gonna do. So we have to kind of try and do some transitions, live out here. And Beach Bear, you're in charge of the next song. What are we gonna do for everybody New Year's Eve, 1988? And how are we gonna get into it from here? Hey, you know what? I got a request.
What?
I got a request. A song that I used to listen to when I was a little bear. It's called Moni Moni, and if you can get into it from this, I'd be much obliged.
Well, I'll do this only if Looney Bird approves of the set list prior to, and
Okay, that's right, Beach Bear. It's on the set list. It's legal. You can do it. And I believe if you know the words, that is, you do know the words, right?
Whoa! Yeah!
Oh, all right. Yeah.
Come now, say come on, Moni. Hey! Hey, 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 hey! Jump
It's so beautiful.
Moaning, moan, moan, moaning.
Moaning, moan, moan, moaning. Moaning, moaning, moan, moan, moaning.
Now what do I say?
Say
You say yeah.
Now what do I say?
You said yeah a couple times.
Yeah.
I say what?
Say yeah.
I say what?
yeah.
I say what?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Hey, how's everybody feeling?
We're all feeling pretty good on this New Year's Eve here.
Pretty good, Fats.
I don't know. I'm just sitting here having a good time thinking about 1988 going to be right around the corner.
What does that
I
make you
can't
think
wait.
of?
Make me think of my Delta 88 that I've been driving lately. I bought me a brand new Delta 88. It's gold and it got a white top.
Well, you know, makes me think of what's going to happen next year, and I thought it'd be good to bring it up and ask everybody what they think's going to happen next year in 1988. And we can also talk about what happened last year in the, well, actually this year. It's another 31 minutes of 1987 that we've got to kind of give it a post-mortem prematurely. What do you guys think?
Well, okay.
I think, yeah. What you said?
I say let's get rid of 1987 and bring in 88. How about it?
Let's do that.
Sounds great.
How's that?
I got a song for that.
Oh, you do? Well, we'll do that. Yeah, okay.
I got a song I wrote for that. Y'all wanna play with that?
I bet it's in G. I bet it's.
You
It's
mean?
in G.
Yeah,
Ain't
let's
got
do
you.
it.
Ain't got you. Ain't got you.
Okay, but when we come back after your song, we'll do some predictions. How's that, Fats?
That sounds fine with me.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen,
You know,
bear
I
in
go
mind.
with it. I go with it.
Oh, Fats is gonna go with it because bear in mind we hadn't planned what we're gonna do. This is New Year's Eve, and you're not supposed to have to practice and remember stuff on New Year's Eve, right, Peach Bear?
that's-
And we certainly fit that bill.
Yeah, I believe. Will you teach us the song, and we'll all learn it together, the audience and everybody? How
Okay.
about?
What song is this?
Well, it looks like a song.
I got a 55 Cadillac, a spare tire in the back, 80 bananas in the sack, but ain't got you, but ain't got you. I got the better set of styling clothes, I got the longer set of hairy toes, I can put a quarter in my nose, but ain't got you, but ain't got you. I got a tab at the Seaboat store. I play the numbers. Yeah, 44. I got a mojo. And don't you know, I'm all dressed up with no place to go. Give me the beat there, baby.
You got it, Fats, right here. Hold on to me now.
I got gorillas to the left of me. Orangutans around me. I got the baboons all around me. But I ain't got you. But I ain't got you. Play it, baby. Oh yeah! I got the beat.
All right, make it sound like a saxophone.
Give me
Make
the
it sound.
beat. Give me the beat, boy. Give me the beat. Give me the beat. Give me the beat. I'm one step from Cool Magnon. I don't watch Thomas Magnon. Bananas I can bag them. But I ain't got you. But I ain't got you. I got a tab at the seafood store. I play the numbers. Yeah, 44. I got a mojo, baby. And don't you know, I'm all dressed up with no place to go. I got a 65 Cadillac. A big spare tire in the back. 80 bananas in a sack. But I ain't got you. But I ain't got you. But I ain't got you, baby. I ain't got nothing if I ain't got you, baby.
can sit down now. I didn't do that good. What we doing, Billy Bob?
I don't know. What's this?
Well, this is prognostication music.
Prognostication. Okay, the prognostication at the moment is that it's 27 more minutes until New Year's Eve. That's 1988, and something else is going to happen at the same time. Everybody doesn't know this, but it's also going to be Mitzi's birthday. She's going to be 17.
Oh, you told me, Billy Bob.
At the stroke of midnight, Mitzi turns 17.
I'm
So after we do Old Lang Syne, we're gonna have to do Happy Birthday, right?
That's right, everybody. Happy birthday to Mitzi when it turns 1988. This is unbelievable, Mitzi, how your parents managed that. Hey, so we're going to take everybody up. We're going to party all the way, and we're going to do some predictions.
Well, what kind of predictions?
Well, I have a list right here, Beach Bear. You might be interested in knowing.
I'm very interested.
You see, a lot of interesting things happened last year. You know, a lot of interesting things happened. In fact, feel free to join in, but I remember 1987 brought us the wonderful Oliver North, right?
Yeah,
Right?
I'm a fan of Ollie.
Yep.
I'm his fan, too.
Oliver North, is that guy who lives in Canada? Is it?
I don't think you... no, Beach Bear. If you just would read the newspaper in the morning, you'd know what we're talking about. And of course, the other big event for 1987, as far as this bird is concerned, is the Jim and Tammy events that have happened over the last year. We won't go into any details, but we'll just enjoy what we know about them and get on with the music. How's that?
Jim and Tammy who?
Jim and Tammy. I don't know. They're a couple of bread.
Oh, Jim and Tammy, those people that live just down the block from you and
yeah, right. That's New Year's Eve.
I think y'all better get off this stuff.
No, Looney Bird, you forgot one. You forgot one. And it's been really important to me.
What's
you know
that?
how, like, the presidential elections are coming up this year?
Yeah.
Okay, well, people have already started to run, and almost every single one of them, the press has totally just gotten this big scandal about, like Gary Hart and Donna Rice.
Yeah.
They got a lot of trash going about them now. And,
trash?
And there are all kinds of them, and every single one that's running for president
Okay,
so far, they're...
Yeah, let me just say this, ladies and gentlemen. We don't know much about politics up here, but we and we
know
got
one
pretty
thing.
confused all year long, and we won't talk about it too much. We'll
It's
have
just
a good
stuff
time.
that's happened.
Yeah, just stuff that's happened, and
Just read about it a little bit.
I heard that they were throwing out their trash, and it didn't get picked up because the guardsmen were on strike, and that's about the extent of that. And anyway, we're hoping for a better year in 1988, a much better year in 1988.
And I say vote for Barney Fife for president.
And if Barney wins, everybody's gonna be a lot more happier. Is that right, Fats?
Yeah. Everybody's gonna be more happy, like I say back home.
Well, okay, Mitzi. Well, why don't you bring us up here a little bit closer to New Year's with a tune?
right.
What do you want to do for us
Somebody
I think
tell
we're
me what.
alone now.
with that astute political observation? It's your turn. Okay, here we go. 17-year-old girl, ladies and gentlemen.
Children behave. That's what they say when we're together. And watch how you play. If we ever knew and so we're running just as fast as we can. Holding on to one another's hands. Trying to get away into the night. Then you put your arms around me and we tumble to the ground. And then you say, I think we're alone now. Doesn't seem to be anyone around. I think we're alone now. Beating up our heart is the only sound.
Now what we doing?
Look at the way.
Yeah, there we are.
Good idea. Yeah.
Gotta hide what we're doing.
Okay, I know where we are.
Yeah.
It's what would they say if they ever knew? And so we're running just as fast as we can, holding on to one another's hands, trying to get away into the night. And then you put your arms around me and we tumble to the ground. And then you say,
Hey, you guys, that's not too bad for not practicing. Of course, you know, I warned you that you'd better practice a little bit before you got out here on New Year's Eve. I mean, you know.
We don't need to practice, Rob. What are you talking about?
I detect that you messed up on the second verse, Mitzi. Am I correct, or...
Can you do any better than that?
Well, as a matter of fact, not only can I do better than that, not only can I do it better than that, I
Yeah,
can
why don't you
ventriloquist
show?
better than that. You see, I am a professional ventriloquist. Y'all probably met my
I
little
don't
dummy
believe
Earl
you.
here.
I don't believe you. I believe Earl.
Rob, everybody knows who the dummy is.
Well, I'm going to now ventriloquist myself doing Little Earl singing Louie Louie, something that's never been done before, right here, New Year's Eve, 1988 at Showbiz Pizza Place.
Earl, don't worry about it. We know he's all lying.
Thanks, Mitzi.
Are you ready, Little Earl?
Rob, if you don't get off stage and let me do this song, I'm gonna bop you one. You're a dweeb, man. Why don't you just get out of here while I do this, huh?
Earl, keep it cool, man.
Okay, guys, get it. Yeah, we're gonna do a song now that was made popular in the early 60s by Earl Smurl. Oh yeah, we gotta go.
Goes like that, Earl.
You make my heart sing. Wild
Come on,
thing.
Earl, get it straight.
Earl, that
I
is...
said wild thing. Hey, what's the matter, guys?
Earl,
Okay.
that is definitely not a song for you.
Okay, well, I feel good about it. You feel good, Beach Bear?
No.
Well, I see.
Wild
I
thing.
see Billy Bob is doing.
Who feels fine? Okay, who feels fine about that?
No, I don't feel fine about that.
I don't feel fine about.
Okay, if you don't feel fine about it, what kind of song do you feel fine about?
I feel fine about maybe you not singing Wild Thing, give it to somebody else. I think it belongs to somebody else. Somebody else sing it.
I think I could do a better job than you,
see,
Earl.
Earl, see, I told you, Earl. See what happens when you try and work without me?
Okay, everybody.
I
As long as we're gonna feel fine about dropping a hole in the show right there, why don't we play? I feel fine.
Thank you, Billy Bob. I'll take that one over. I told Rolf a long time ago that he couldn't make that dummy sing.
Thank you, Duke.
I knew you'd like that. Thank you, Billy Bob. Follow me. Here we go.
Okay, that's working.
Hold on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Baby's good to me. You know she's happy as can be. You know she said so. I'm in love with her and I feel fine. Baby says she's mine. You know she tells me all the time. You know she said so. I'm in love with her
a lot of fun next year. We're gonna be partying here at Showbiz. Aren't we, everybody? Will y'all quit going, woo, and help me out here? Billy Bob's trying to jam out here, you guys. Come on.
We were singing, Billy Bob.
Y'all was jamming too, I tell you, boy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you get when we don't practice, and we hope you don't mind, but we'll do another song for you if y'all like. What would you like? Jam. Jam.
Yeah, let's jam. Let's go with it. Go with it.
Jam. Ah!
This is C.
Okay, everybody, it's in C, the KSA.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it, fans.
Okay, got it.
What you working on, Beach Bear?
I'll figure it out in a second.
Okay, he's working it out.
I got some words.
You got some words? Come on, fast time.
87, walking out the back door. 88, knocking on the front door. Somebody open the door and let him in.
I've heard this one before.
Seems like I got to have a change of scene, 'cause every night I have a strange dream. And by the way, it might have been did on my own. So let's see. I got to leave before I start to scream. Someone's locked the door and took the key. I'm feeling alright. I'm feeling really good myself. Yeah, feeling alright. I'm feeling really good myself. I'm feeling really good. I swear I'm feeling good.
Everybody feeling all right?
Only another 14 minutes to go before New Year's. Hope everybody's ready. You know, but to be ready for New Year's, you really do have to make your resolutions. No kidding, guys. You know?
Resolutions?
So just somebody keep a little bottom happening here. Yeah, and somebody keep a little rhythm happening here, dude.
Watch me now. Hold on.
No, wait a minute now, Fast. Right now, we watching you, Fast, but we want to watch you make a resolution more than anything.
Who, me?
Yeah, how you gonna improve yourself next year?
Well, I'm gonna try and gain a little bit more weight.
Now, how's that gonna improve you? Come on. What are you gonna do?
Cause
What for?
the ladies like me when I'm big. See, they're more to love.
Yeah, but Pat, you gotta stay girl.
Yeah, but you gotta know something that's going on.
Esmeralda.
Yeah, but Esmeralda like me big, you know?
Yeah.
She don't want no beanpole.
No, I guess not. Esmeralda, she's
And see, you ain't been keeping up with the fashion magazines like I've been reading.
What do you hear?
Well, I heard being tall and thin and beautiful is going out of style.
That's right.
That's
He
going to be
reads,
virtually out of style this coming year.
That's right.
And the short, fat, ugly people is going to be in style.
Well, then I guess everybody, Fats is our model for 1988. Let's take a good look at him in dress and gain weight like that, boy. I'm on my way.
He reads Gorillas Quarterly.
That's for gorillas. Oh, Mitzi,
No,
come
it's
on.
called GQ.
You know what? Let's get serious, Mitzi. You got a resolution to improve yourself. You're going to be 17.
Yeah.
And do you want it? Of course, you want to improve yourself, even though you're perfect as a little mouse can be, huh?
Yeah, well, it's it's not exactly improving myself, but it's just something that I kind of hope to do. I mean, I'm really hoping that I graduate from high school.
Yeah.
And then I move on to better things, you know?
So you resolved to graduate from high school?
Yeah, I guess that's a good New Year's resolution. I don't want to overdo myself.
But that's kind of easy for you. I heard you made straight A's. You make straight A's, Mitzi.
Well, close to it.
Are you president of your student council, Mitzi?
I sure am.
Tell us what you are, Mitzi. Everybody, Mitzi is 17. She's into 12th grade, and she's tell what else do you do over there?
I'm the dance captain.
She's the dance captain.
And I'm the guard captain.
She's guard captain.
And I'm president of student council.
And you know what? I went to homecoming and saw you riding on a float. You was also on a float. What are you, Super Mouse or something? Who do you think you are?
Oh, and I'm in International Thespian Society, and I'm in National Honor Society.
Yeah, and I saw you do an audition for a Star Search. You did that.
I sure did.
Did you ever hear back from them? We didn't think so.
No.
Mitzi, you're all right. I don't know, man. I'd resolve to relax a little bit if I were you. Okay?
Yeah, I think I will.
Why don't you do that?
How about Beach Bear?
I think it's time Beach Bear said something that made some sense.
You gonna relax this year?
Relax. I don't know the meaning of the word relax. You know,
What's your resolution then?
To just get really loud right now. That's my resolution.
Sort of put you on the spot, huh, Beach?
No, I was planning for this, but
And that's what you plan?
whenever you plan for something and
Yeah.
and then all of a sudden it gets real late and stuff.
Yeah. When are you gonna guess how many more minutes it is?
Man, I just got this thing going right now that I can't leave.
Okay, well we're going. Go with it. Go with it. Go with it. Everybody now. Okay. Yeah, and it's only 10 more minutes to midnight. It'll be 1988 in 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's get together right down here.
Yeah.
Let's get together right down here. Let's get together right down here. Let's get together right through here. Let's get together right down here.
What's the words to that song, Pat?
Oh, nobody knows the words of it?
Yeah, tell us all the words.
Oh, okay. Hey, let's slow it down. Slow it down. Let us get together.
Coleslaw.
Right down here. Let us get together. Right down here. Let us get together.
That's real neat.
Right down here.
Got that much, okay?
Let us get together in this new year.
Okay,
Go, Big Boy.
everybody.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let us get together right down here. Let's get together right down here. Let's get together right down here. Let's get together right down here. You peoples is crazy.
Hey, everybody, we only got 8 minutes more to go till New Year's, 1988. Yeah, 1988. That's right. And y'all know what we're gonna do after midnight, right?
Oh, we're gonna do after midnight. What?
After midnight, we'll get down, hang out. gonna check lights out. Cause talk and suspicion, we gon' get exhibition. We gon' find out what it's all about. After midnight, we gon' shake a tambourine. After midnight, all gonna be pieces and cream. Talk and suspicion, we gon' get exhibition. We gon' find out what it's all about. We ain't gonna let it all hang out. After midnight, yeah, gonna let it all hang out. Let it all hang out. Lay some action, we gonna get some satisfaction. We gonna find out what it is all about. After midnight, we'll let it all hang out. After midnight, gonna let it all hang out. After midnight, gonna let it all hang out. I know what we're gonna do after midnight, but what are we gonna do until midnight?
Well, we got another about 5 minutes and 20 seconds to go till 1988. What do you want to do?
Well, I gotta go to the bathroom.
No, you can't go now, Fats. You gotta hang in there with us. What are you tempted to do, Beach Bear?
Let's see. I think there's a song called Tempted.
Well, then let's do some tempting song, everybody. Here we go. Let's take it on up to midnight. We're gonna party on up to midnight.
Okay, now you stop us at midnight. You're not gonna let us miss midnight.
No, I'll let you know. I'm keeping a check.
Yeah, and I'm keeping a check too. I'm tied into the BBC time service, and I know exactly when midnight will be here.
Yeah, okay, so Looney Bird will keep me on track, and I'll keep you on track. And so let's just go into some more music and bring them up to midnight here at Showbiz Pizza Place. Yeah!
I bought a toothbrush, some toothpaste, a flannel for my face, pajamas, a hairbrush, new shoes in a case. I said to my reflection, let's get out of this place. As the children sleep on, wandering on the hill, the billboards and the buildings, memories they still recalling. Well, wish would stop. Tempted by the fruit of another. Tempted, but the truth is discovered. What's been going on? Now that you have gone, there's no other. Tempted by the fruit of another. Tempted, but the truth is discovered. The airport, the baggage carousel. I ain't gonna keep on crying, wishing I was well. Say this no occasion. A fool without a sign. But it gets much closer. I don't move my side, along by the seduction. I wish it would stop, hey, and take me by the fruit of another. Tell me the truth is discovered. intentions and hates to be untrue. I said to my reflection, tell me what you said you do. Tempted by the fruit of another, tempted, but the truth is discovered. What's the meaning of it? Now that you have gone, there's no other. Tempted by the fruit of another, tempted, but the truth is discovered. How I was tempted by the fruit of another, tempted, but the truth is discovered. Yeah. Tempted, hey, the fruit of another, tempted, but the truth is discovered. I was tempted, yeah. I was tempted.
Oh, that sounded good. How about that song?
I was so tempted.
I'm tempted tonight to just go crazy after we get our New Year's. 1988 is gonna be the best year we ever had. Ain't that right? Can I get an amen on that?
Amen on that. Yeah, going right up to midnight. Whoa, you're really partying now. We got another 30 seconds to go here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
Another 26 seconds,
Okay,
and it'll
like
be
27,
midnight.
24, 25.
Sometimes we just can't figure out what we
Here we
want
go.
to do.
C sharp, D,
Uh-oh, here we go. We got 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, everybody. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Song, Old Lang Syne, and just follow me and I'll teach you the words. Here we go, everybody. Here we go. Where's the
Earl.
Yes.
You taught them wrong last year, so get them right this time.
Okay. It's should old acquaintance be forgotten, never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgotten, never brought to mind? Here we go.
Here we go.
Should old acquaintance be forgotten and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgotten and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgotten? Should old acquaintance be forgotten? Should old, I said, should old acquaintance be forgotten? I said, and never, never, ever brought to mind. Yeah, one more time. Should old acquaintance be forgotten? I want you to tell me right now. Should they be forgotten and never brought to mind? I don't think so. Just should they all be forgotten? And never brought to
Yeah, your personal freedom line. 1988, ladies and gentlemen. It's 1988. Happy New Year.
Together.
Right down here. Let's get together right down here. Let's get together right down here.
Let's get together this New Year. All right, Happy New Year, everybody.
Everybody has something to shout about. No. Yeah, Beach Bear, what you got?
Wait a minute.
And it's 1 minute after midnight.
I said you know. 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 I said
We know.
I know you make me wanna shout. And throw your hair back, take your feet up, throw your hell in a cat. Come on, you guys are singing. Shout, shout, a little bit loud now. Shout, a little bit loud now. Shout, go up and shout 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 now. Shout. Now wait a minute. You make me feel. I said you make me feel. I said, you know I feel. I said I feel like this. I said I feel. I said I'm not sure. I said I'm really sure. I said I feel. You make me wanna shout. Do you remember when you used to be 9 years old? You never leave from my soul and never let you go. Oh, you know what? I want to hear this all by itself. I want to hear the shooby-doo-wop bop 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 bop.
Shooby-doo-wop-bop-bop-bop. We need to learn this, Beach Bear. Teach it to us. Teach it to everybody in the whole audience. Let's go out with a shout. Here we go.
Okay, ready?
I can show it to you.
Okay, good.
Yeah, you're a leader type, Pat, so go ahead.
Okay, I take this one.
Shout. Okay,
Shooby doo bop, 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 bop. Shooby doo bop, bop.
Okay.
Now, Duke, you take this one.
I got you.
Shooby doo bop. Shooby doo bop. Now, Billy Bob.
Yeah.
You take. Indeed. Shooby doo bop.
Shooby-doo-bop. Shooby-doo-bop.
Beach Bear, you take shooby doo bop.
Man, I'm doing my own thing, all right?
Yeah, come
Okay,
on.
and you take shooby doo bop.
Okay, we got it, Pat. Let's go.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shooby-doo-wop, doo-bop, doo-bop, doo-bop. 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 Shooby-doo-wop, doo-bop, doo-bop, doo-bop.
That was fun, Beach Bear.
It was good.
Hey, you know what, Beach Bear? Before we go, and before we say see you later, everybody, there is something I've wanted you to do after New Year's, after 1988 started. And would you do it? I want everybody to know that whatever we are and whatever we turn into is okay for 1988. And even if we don't keep our resolutions, we're okay. And so it's sort of a be what you are sort of a situation. Would you indulge old Billy Bob? What do you think? Come on.
Billy Bob. You can't do this to me. It's New Year's. It's 1988. I can't start a year like this.
If you absolutely refuse, it's okay. We won't do it right now. We'll do it later. But I'd really like to get you into it.
All right.
Whoa, wait a minute. You know what? I just remembered something.
What?
It's Mitzi's birthday, too. Happy birthday, Mitzi. Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mitzi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mitzi.
And many more return, too. Happy birthday to you.
Aw, thank you guys.
Mitzi 17. Mitzi's 17 years old and it's 1988, all at the same time. And I'll tell you what, we'll see you later, but we'll see you right after the new year. Come on in tomorrow at Showbiz Pizza Place and we'll be partying more. But we'll see you later now.
Happy New Year!
Yeah, okay. Rock 'em out, Reach Beer. New Year's. It's been a great New Year's. Hey! It's been a great New Year's. It's been a great New Year's.
Never know when to go. Sometimes you just never know when to go. I don't know when to go.
We're gonna stay with you till they close the door. It's been a great New Year's. It's gonna be great New Year's.
87, walking out the back door. 88, knocking on my front door. Somebody open the door and let that sucker in.
Let's say it again.
New Year.
That's on here one more time.
It's been the best New Year's I done ever had.
What about knocking on the door again? I want to hear that.
Now 87, walking out the back door. 88, knocking on the front door. Somebody open the door and let that sucker in. I said 87, walking out the back door. 88, knocking on the front door. Somebody open the door and let that sucker in. I said 87, walking out the back door. 88, knocking on the front door. Somebody open the door and let that sucker in. I said 87, walking out the back door. 88, walking to the front door. Somebody open the door and let that sucker in.
I think somebody ought to let us out.
It's been a great New Year.
Grape soda.
Thank you everybody for joining us here New Year's Eve and New Year's morning, 1988. Congratulations everybody, we're living in the best time there ever was, and we sure hope you'll come to Showbiz Pizza Place a lot this year. We'll see you tomorrow, a brand new year, a brand new life, a start of something wonderful for us. Good night everybody. Great.
Walking out the back door, knocking on the front door. Somebody let that sucker in. 87, walking out the back door. 88, knocking on the front door. Somebody let that sucker in.
Good night everybody. Good night.
Amen. Good night.